Hello, I'm here to explain the Invoq ovens for you guys. We have the whole family here lined up, but we're going to start with this one. This is the hybrid version with the boiler. So on the outside we have the probe. The probe is located on the outside instead of having it inside of the oven. The plastic would over time corrode when you have it inside and constantly baking on it on 200 degrees every day, even though you're not using it. So by having it on the outside, you ensure the lifetime of the probe is longer. Here we also have the insert for the USB key. USB, you can transfer recipes, you can upload pictures, and you can also download hazard reports. It's also possible to put the oven online. When you have it online, you can update the software as well, and you can also distribute recipes. Here we have the access for the boiler. So we're the only oven in the market that has direct access to the boiler. You open it up here, place in 2 descaling tablets, and 2 hours later, you have descaled your oven. You don't need a technician to come out and fix your oven. This can be done every second week, and then you ensure that you have a perfectly running every time. And this helps your end customers as well by doing this and ensuring the oven. We have the hand shower on the side. Hand shower is a spray hose, spray inside of the oven. Recommended not to do it over 120 degrees. If the oven is warmer than that, don't spray in the water. It can ruin the oven inside. But it's perfect for filling up trays or anything else that you would need. Screen is Android based, very easy to use, and you see that in another video that we have made. Here, when we open up the oven, it's 7 trays. That's a big benefit. We have 70 mil distance inside, meaning that you get more capacity. It's 17% more capacity compared to a 6 tray. And then we have the 70 mil distance to ensuring a better cooking result and steaming result, because you get a better airflow and more space around your products. When you open up the door, you have 3-layer glass. You have LED lighting that lights up the whole oven when you are cooking to ensure that everything that you have inside of the oven, you can see what's going on exactly when it's going on. When you do the washing cycle in an Invoq, you place in the tablets in the bottom of the oven. So you choose the program, and we have programs running from 15 minutes all the way up to 3.5 hours, depending on how dirty your oven is. Here, we have, this is a stacked unit, so this is a cover we have in front. Just gonna place this down here. Here we have our air filter, which you can change. You can wash it inside of the washing machine, or you can wash it by hand, and then you just place it back in. That needs to be done about every 2 weeks. This is also different from other competitors. Some of them you need to change, and you actually need to buy a new filter every time you do it. We have the 2 different systems. This is the hybrid. We also have the injection version. Injection is good for steaming a little bit, so you have low quantity steaming, 2-3 trays inside of the oven. You're able to steam that. But if you need high capacity steaming for steaming eggs, where you need to peel them, frozen vegetables or raw vegetables with a full oven, that's where we recommend to use the boiler version, the hybrid version. And it also goes great for rice and anything in that perspective. The door, you can flip the door in the field. The door is field reversible, so you have the hinges up here. You can place them over here, and then you can flip the door. It takes about 1.5 hours first time you do it, and then after that it takes 1 hour. That's with no extra components. The only thing you need to change it is a technician for 1.5 hours, and then you're good to go. And over here we have the 20 tray. 20 tray also comes in hybrid and Combi mode. So we open up the door here, 3-layer glass, LED lighting, the same as the other unit. And remember the double step door, that's very important also. That comes included in all our ovens. Here on the side, we have the arm to take out the trolley. You place it in here in the trolley, and then you roll the trolley out. It comes in 20 and 15 trays. When you roll in the trolley, it's important that you roll it in all the way. And then you lock the wheels. And you close it up. This oven works exactly the same way as the small units. It's very, very good at making even cooking, getting even cooking results, baking, roasting, anything you can think of. If you need steaming, it also works very well with a hybrid unit. That's the 20 tray. And here we have the Essence ovens. It's the essential for the kitchen. It's the oven for when a kitchen says that they only want an oven to bake, combi, or steam in. They don't want all the bells and whistles from the big units. Then this is the unit for them. It's also possible to put in recipes, basic recipes for the cooking that they do in the kitchen. But basically the different models, you have to figure out which one to choose depending on the needs for the kitchen. But base model, this comes with injection, it comes with a base screen, it comes with the LED lighting as well, and of course the 3-layer glass and the multiple fan speeds. So this is a perfect for the kitchen that just wants a base oven for cooking all their products. And here we have the Mini, the Invoq Mini version. We have the 6 and we have the 10. We have them stacked here. That's also a possibility now. You get the same functionalities that you get in all of the other ovens with recipes, anything you would think of, automated washing. The main thing for this oven is that the width of the oven is 51.3 centimeters wide. Both of the models comes in 11 GN. This is to ensure in the kitchen that when they switch for the small oven or they need it in a different space, they can still use all of the 11 GN trays that they already have in their kitchen, instead of buying something new. In the 6 tray, you get 12 racks, and in the 10 tray, you get 20 racks. So basically in a 6 tray, you fit in 4 65 mil, and in the 10 tray, you fit in 6 65 mil trays. Invoq Mini for the kitchens where they want high capacity with a small footprint. Here, we have the pass-through oven. So the pass-through oven is great for locations where they have raw products on one side and then they want finished product on the other side. For not doing cross-contamination, this is very well used in the supermarket industry where they have raw chickens going in on one side and they have the finished on the other side. So if you have low-trained staff that are not very well educated in their kitchen, this is the way that you should go with it. Raw product in one, finished on the other side. Never get any cross-contamination in this point. And here, the fat separation system. So the fat separation system, we have a tray in here that collects all the drippings of fat from your products that drips down, and it collects it down into this tray. So when it's full and finished, you take out the tray and you discard it or dispose it however you see fit. And you can place it back in and you can start doing a new cook. In between cooks, you also get the opportunity to remove the tray here. You can wash them. If you have more of these, you can do multiple cooks in a row to make your kitchen more efficient and faster. Inside here, we have 2 drains, one for the tray, and then we have the regular drain where all the water will go through. So the only thing this one collects is the juices and the fat from your product. And with these units, you can accommodate anything a kitchen will need. High capacity steaming, baking, roasting, anything they would need. We also have a drain lift system where you can lift up the water behind the oven. If you have the low drain, you can lift up the water, rediverse it around the oven. We also have options for multi-rack systems where you can have baking trays and 11 GN at the same time. So anywhere you would need a combi oven, they already have a combi oven. Please let us know and we will support you in any way we can.